Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable background apps in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Here you can see Activity History. You just have to click on it. So now you can see Clear Activity History for this account. You have to click on Clear History. And now you can see here Store My Activity History on this device. You just have to turn off this button. So this is how you can disable background apps in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.